I don't think we should do this anymore. I just want a casual relationship, and it's clear that you want something more.
What? Not at all. I also want a 100% casual relationship.
Oh, wow.
All I ask is on days we shaboink that you take me out first so I don't feel like you're using me.
That seems totally fair.
And I don't know, maybe you could just text me a few times throughout the week, just to check in on me and see how I'm doing.
Yeah, of course.
And if I'm ever moving, I would expect you to help me as a common courtesy.
I'm not a monster.
Oh, one more thing. If you do horizontal monster mash with someone else, you do need to let me know.
Huh, why's that?
Because if you're seeing other people, I may decide I don't want to be a part of that.
Oh.
Because I'm looking for an exclusive hookup buddy.
So shaboinking whenever I want, but just with you.
Exactly.
That sounds like a good deal.
And I need you to keep an open mind about wanting more in the future.
Like more hooking up.
Like becoming roommates and living together.
Then I wouldn't have to drive so far to shaboink you. Wow, you're so smart.
What can I say? I'm not like other girls.